flying. I feel suddenly loneliness and see, I told you all the rules are happening forever. Nobody is doing anything good. And yesterday we sometimes posted about Malayali student Yovut Malayali the Tomlin poison which are the favorite mock ranking the Marana etc. The basket then ended up to be salted. But anyway, this is that bastard double to spoil it. Immediately, that's right. I think that from August to 1st onwards, you will be in Gujarat for 10 days for Padayatra. And don't you feel we are not a decision, we are not a flex. Actually, for what purpose we are not? If you look at what we will become the Prime Minister when fellows, none of these fellows are doing anything for you. Everybody is planning to spoil you. They have that much of frustration. Nobody will do. You don't dream that you will ever become the Prime Minister. That's it. You cannot become, you will be not allow. That's it. And then after, let's say they have like prepared out 3 years. This is what this fellow. See, these fellows will not allow you to get married to that what is it? Matana also. And then what? These fellows utilize her for like it. You market block me. That's it. This is what this is what is all doubles, but this is what they will decide. This is what if a man is not standing in his feet, this is really happen. And for what purpose here? Here, what this why are people are afraid of? And your mother also is kept then this because they could understand that the security is there controlling how and if I am around they are blocking her also not to come out like that. Yeah, I know this how these these foreigners putting show like these are there are fellows got a nice laugh. These not really chanted with a structure of frauds. Okay, this kind of we don't because these all doubles are taking money from BJP and playing. There's no point in blaming that. What is the correct that bastard is playing? Drugs like you want first get the bastard. And if he's fighting everybody, what are the things actually? Day for yesterday, when I was standing outside your house, waiting for that you are coming from the at the time I met a person out there. Actually, I was asking the phone. At the time I understood he's a Congress worker, Delhi Congress worker. He's basically from Gujarat or something like one of then he told like he's going forward in the devotional way he's talking and that what you will become the world leader now and so many things you do so many aspects I told you help and I want to have discussion with what are these people at the time he is going for a meeting and after that yesterday tell me like this. Yesterday morning also I was calling like this. Then he told he is busy meeting something in the ACC, Manasi, but then he told 5 o'clock we get meet at what? Near to the Dubon metro station gate number 2. I think okay. No, so I was sitting there. I went in the morning onwards. I came over there. From there like then through that I had to meet many people. I went train also. So he told he's busy from this meeting in ACC. He can come by 6 o'clock. I told okay. Then then I told I get to meet some other people. He told me go and come back after that we can meet till 7 or 8. I went there. I was there. Actually, when we just at the house, then I was waiting there only. Then he came in the. He told us we can sit in Constitution Club and we can talk. And then he walked into the Constitution Club and there is no space to sit because the rain. Then she told, I told them we can give Bangladesh a good job, but the English name. On the some on the no. Then she told, okay, we can give middle realization. What of it? There are lots of material. There is no, there will be a people who to the material, but I said, no, she is not. Then what was the realization with this? Very problem. She told, no, there are districts we can sit near and it can talk like that. At least he is continuously making phone calls like this. I think I understood that he is recording and creating a story or something like that. Then what this we went into butter station and then we were got I told her there is no point of no for what was it? He was telling possible activity to get into fuel what maybe I heard everything. I didn't say I understood these customers are not good. And then we are sitting in the what else the matter station only. They're inside. They're in the platform. In the middle of the platform. I didn't, he's not really, he's not doing good. No, here, he is showing his snap. It's not good. Actually, I think at least I understood that these fellows are, he made another plant and he was telling these all fellows are playing around. The deforestation is told there is Alangar or this council or these all things. And they're next year calling this fellow and playing around. Then he was making continuously phone calls and accumulating. He told how many people you want? What are you eating? Then I told her, okay, this is not what capable to talk. Capable, not he is not an eligible person to talk. And then he was going to getting people again into no, tell what are things actually. Then I tell it okay. Then again I tried. Then I understood that these fellows actually I was thinking what are the plants actually coordination everybody. And I think these fellows are not. So then after then I came back. The one way these fellows plan is to process the social drug. This is what it is. You can there is staff here. All the fellows doing it. This is that that bastard 40 also. Nameti also when I did I went at that time also he would arrange the post called to go with the culture. These are the culture of what this is how Shella like that result. Actually, not even a single person is working. They do you blindly obey. Didn't I just in the celebration 40 people, the culture of 14 Noye, I am not dedicated. This is what is bastard to the dedicated researchers and the passionate students settled. This is what is the world living process of criminal culture of 40. This is the same thing he is making. And that Abhishek also he made a education is spoiling this culture of 40, not even knowing what is education, not doing any research. Early gamblers and red straight sex trafficking. His family from childhood onwards he is seeing his father is do. That's what he is doing like that. You will never make a real nothing. Just this fellows will roam around like this and no mediation for chucking mediation, chucking culture of 40 prostitution. He will go with whenever she is coming, the remaining she is going to these all fellows also culture of 40. They do live like a cook. I told you this is very happening. Red culture of this your sister also. I did it. How much there is no point in believing the sister. I know how my sister is a puppet of this master. This is out of this double. Once his eyes is falling somewhere, that person is finished. That is the game. It is when here on the bottom with the world putting my all chemicals and these fellows, what are the things, and this fellows aim is to make you go out of Delhi and after that again put the chemicals or poison pressure and finish with it. This is what their plan and that is for us to make you and go learn very I also think that celebration of the culture of 14 Naikalang. These all fellows yesterday I posted on similarly that's the reason we now I understand the control where everything culture is that mocker and these all down actually therefore these all their lobby they are only playing on it. They are not looking at all the lobby, Rajasthan lobby, Karnataka lobby, these are all devils only to the replying. When you look at Chomalan and these are the devils bastard. When you tell them the time the way these bastard used to do in the even to the staff center like doing cartoon and culture of fertilizer, educationless, cultureless, street fellows, so never get a mistake I made and when I talked to such a fellow. This is your life, understood? Like a kutta. The food selling sex tool. And this fellow will grab. This is what they continuous plan to make you keep away from Delhi. So we should not meet or anything. That's the reason. So lots of opposition leaders in Gujarat will win tomorrow. So that's a big thing. When then succeed that they first Vietnam ambassador. Vietnam ambassador meeting is I am meeting many ambassadors. What is there was some common first understand what is where we are standing and did we do any hard work. Don't get excited some opera. This is sort of who is not either way tell about your education school. If you have properly educated, it is not fault. Okay. So what are the things? All the things set up mother also escort grabbing this everybody she was just a puppet of all the leaders, so all the Congress leaders of the king's such school. That's what that I could understand. How the way simple you are going to finish very successfully. And these fellows will not make you get married to that early because then you will become stronger or something like that. This will also keep you in the restaurant. Some other history. I'm sure, I am promising that nothing will happen and wherever you want to stay. So the devils they are playing actually. Because the National Herald case where I sent the mail, that's why this is what these all devils are playing, and you want to take a decision step by step. There is this lot of restaurants, so I take is watching this okay. Oh, so I am trying to YouTube. This is the same way my father also said. So he will never save anything. Whatever the money that all everything is going to be all transferred. Fronts are there for social government, communism. And then whatever things my mother is saving also, he will get that also. And very stupid. And how much my mother suffered that I could understand. This is what we are also so there is a have these fellows will put the water thing, tomorrow we will win and I it for there is no election or nothing. This time don't take care. These all fellows are making you as a puppet of the play and these all fellows frustrations are there. Others frustration that all these all the Malayali troubles got to see this and I posted about them. I was trying to talk to these all fellows that none of them everything talk to I will check to I don't need to go meeting to get better and these fellows should not do it. At all the thing these fellows are doing, trying also nothing is going to happen in India. So stay stubborn and be there. And I can see them suddenly oh, so suddenly when the tractor really seems to suddenly feel. Otherwise getting upset with jumping. The how to get the front left to go to London and reaching what is what it is. I think you should deadline this is what these are. Even for your excitement so you are in the your boundary or soul machine live what is the case after coming to the market to Adhikamas these fellows are right Adhikamas I come to airport I was taking there right how it was the man is not studying step on this way you know that you are like a baby anyway don't become like a victim of this kind of things fellows. Your life is very enemies to block the way it's all fellows are previous afraid of you and you don't wait. But actually I can do many things. I am doing the things. And yesterday one more thing good that I am posting now so suddenly I walk the border making videos I should posting this video to my vlog. Actually their plan might be that yesterday I went to say that actually seriously we can talk there people going to their hair everywhere community like that even talking the below, the culture of Tedow's these politicians that wherever this fellows might be saying, oh no, they just keep coming to the phone call service and culture of test rate of financing, but your fraud. First, I felt like a divine person in the way he was talking. That's the reason I thought I thought, okay, let me talk. These fellows, I was sitting in the night. That's the thing, these fellows are planning in the what? So that's it. Now we can do. He was telling 5 o'clock we can meet, then 6 o'clock we can meet. Like culture of what is this? That is all fellows. Fellows. We have not in a single person is there. Some don't understand it. Can you tell us culture of double? All the all are stick around your growth. Then another newspaper Canada everything. This is for grabbing money. These all fellows will utilize sell your flush and will grab and you will become a puppet showcase too. That's the only thing is going to happen. Nothing else is going to happen. These fellows, none of these fellows are going to do anything. They should win after the election. It's another thing which I was telling this somewhere. That's for the election. They told us that they can utilize me and they can get to the power. That's the thing. Because don't want to, none of them is ready to do any political service or whatever they want. Or money. This is there, this is there. Keep it like this every time, because every time they can continue this bargaining with the BJP and can grab. They will become like it. That cannot become the point. Never, this never will do anything else. This that much is and if you don't become it like loud, that yesterday that person told that the reorganization is going to happen, and what? Now that vowel somebody from government secretary and the what else we are entitled to? Now the India legacy. These fellows will make it. You need to understand this. This polling is 1 year. That's what these fellows will do. This 1 year, these fellows will make you roam like this and everywhere. And after that, you will be like a burst straight to waste into one more than straight. That's what your life is going to like that. Okay, this is our own karma, our own activities, our own excitement. There is some nakapicha offer is getting. Don't get first think that where we stand actually. Day for yesterday when you went there, this Pantana might not have come actually, but this that is what is Mohan and culture of what is particularly related to me and each other thing which are when these all fellows are just earning double. Everywhere, not only them, each and every fellows. No, everybody. So you don't go to either other. These fellows are not mixing, and there is election. Not there is no election or anything now. So they know what person they just block from here, and you don't come here to help you. Cut your friends. That will be better. Okay, have some common sense around us. You want to become a tool plus an team. Okay, just stay there. Irrespective of what other thing, don't go anywhere. And these fellows that never you feel that you opposition. And see, actually, we should do only. There should be overall this much desperate, and we should do a partition split. And should also what is his name? This posting, there are people who are forgetting that there is conflict between the Congress and the media attention and the actually these fellows let it get better. Whoever want to have a support for BJP, let them go. Don't force them. Also some alliances fellows are arranging between Akshay and Mamata Banerjee, but which are areas so clear like this. Look at the next that what? Look at that. Like a just a flush selling tools. And I told her, so I could understand your mother also was stayed earlier. I could understand. The way the Mohan and you're talking into the authoritative control angle. Okay. Then these fellows are projecting that your mother was hijacking everybody and the Makama, what are the things, stories, these fellows. So, stay there. Nobody is going to do anything. Don't go anywhere, and this is what this don't go to Gujarat and again they will put to you the put a tank to their running of these fellows and you are the nearest for what purpose flight. They have common sense. Actually, the way that master that is Chomalad to doing haunt out, I understood the actor of what. This kind of culture of only be sharing your life and you are like a play to let me sell us and grab a cross and that crack of what this kind of a just traffic to go in getting that sort of frustration culture of 49 week. To split and first thing block to that don't talk to that what a matana that is a big tank actually doing these fellows are making it sucker she's a poison negative poison Dora getting a close they will be finished and that poison will be in your body and you will be in that kind of so John to go to Gujarat and stay there. He said that you are not going anywhere unless so then and that you plan these fellows what these fellows are arranging that your flush selling it don't go out just not to keep you away from Delhi. That's the only thing. This is what they were doing from initially onwards. In November, so they were blocking that, on the November they locked me, locked you up, then forced me to transfer to make you get married to the security tank. Then till December, towards December you are in the locked stage. And then January, send you to abroad for a year. And after that they took you to Varajora airport. What are the levels these fellows are doing? This is common sense. You do not have common sense. What your mother answer is this is not our profession. It matters or it will say getting everybody somebody is coming in the point getting check on that. If somebody is trying to help also give them their life also is excitement, frustrated how much that no that what are the things happening. They have common society repeatedly even secretary what but in my words so that is what is beyond that can be told have common when you have everything with us and you are discussing this is what happens and I told that you can have that will do kindness lump and that these fellows will provoke they don't become like it because this fellow somehow anyhow wanted that I could leave it sort of making the 2 weeks locked up with Matrana to suck you and so that now I should sort of this sort of that I will leave and they did not prove that sort of these fellows are getting upset and taking you to the immediate orange to the Gujarat planet, provoking you that you will be array fellow, have a common sense. These fellows are, and then they go to that, no, they don't know. One thing we are doing these fellows are plus selling disease, and don't be like a kutta. And you don't go anywhere, and let these fellows go all devils go and play. Okay? Everything you can do, everybody was related by culture party. I called the day first day and so I was feeling so much of hurt. So have a common sense and don't become a multiple. It's all double that. Nobody's beautiful. Please beautiful your contrast. Nothing that I can remember that what Narana still is no use of this still play around this all because see for making you understand I am posting this all post and everything and all this report or whatever but you don't get disappointed at that. See this is the one perspective of the people. See, there is a way everything very into but you are getting excited and you will get into the traps. Keep on and the traps are headache. The word for 1 year only. These fellows is knowing your forest is all doing the data for the plane around here. Actually, a race fellows and you are these fellows, none of these fellows are not going to anything in the world. have understanding, which we are getting educated in the country of this. And we should also keep everybody under their narrative and message in the loop and point. That's the only thing going on. So, also this fellows are making the maternal this federal making you possibly made the public and then what they will do is next day you married a rapist murderer and this all the thing and she's a murderer and so your career life is gone. That is what they are in that is what they are. See if any not even a single person have any issue and or on the sorry for you then they just like to block me this is and the later you I'm not seeing my future is 17 now. I gravitate Jarapati. This is excitement. This one certainly lonely soul. This is what you deserve. This is what who are getting excited. The face excitement. This is the thing. Punishment goes. Have common sense. Stay there. I am talking to the relevant people and I can. This is it. By actually, people cannot risk their life or career or they cannot out of what dedication cannot make anything good for you. This is what you will keep on saying and they will become. This is what happened. I am trying to before March 7 to solve the issue. So don't become like a bit about these all the tablets they are putting these all properly how these those go to crack in a different inside posted about their activities. Also see this end of the month security says usually for nobody is coming this all. When movie was also nobody everybody. Want to this everything is called into Modi Amisha movement lively happening. Within 1 year they will give us a corner. This is what happened. Okay. So for that only barrier is I am the only thing. That's the thing. This is the thing by the block. And it is how common sense not and I cannot it's a high presentation. I have to do and I have to look for my career, my life. Okay, because now you kind of a seller. This is what I told how much time to what are the problems I can solution and I can solve anything and I can handle it. Again this happen. This kind of who are working entered under don't end up like the rest of these all fellows only trained for that Charapati. What is it? Pandana. Rapi everything about that. Stay there, don't go anywhere in the comment only you can tell in public what all things you should stand stubborn and together. I can handle any case or any problem. Don't worry.